Oh wow, everybody. Today we have some flash flooding in Santa Barbara. As you can see, it's clear over there, but it is raining coming down like crazy right now. I had no idea that it was going to even come close to raining here in Santa Barbara. And I think we had a little bit of ice come down as well. Some hail coming down as well. And some poor guy just ran to his car. This poor girl right here doesn't have no umbrella, just caught off guard, I should say. This is just amazing. Where did it come from? Well, there you go, guys. We got a quick rain, some ice, wind, storm here in Santa Barbara. Thanks for watching.